Alright, so I got next day I am going to go ahead and pull that wall off, and I'm going to go ahead and rebuild it. I should be able to rebuild that today. Then I'm going to throw it on without the throw it back on without the paneling, and those square pieces of metal that I made. I'm going to go ahead and put those on all the joints and just replace anything that's rotted. So it should only take me a few minutes on a video, but it takes me like half the night. Anyway, sit back and watch. So I think I found some treasures. There's 3 pennies. Oh, what's this? A part of a joker. Another penny. Oh, these wires. Another penny. Holy pennies. A whole bunch of them. Here's another one. Another one. Another one. Where's the dollar bills and the $100 bills that are stuffed down here? To help with the restoration. All right, what do we got? Oh, more. Jeez, they're just piled up. I guess this thing stole money. Every time he sat down, all of a sudden. All right, hold on a second. Let's see. Another penny. A few more. Oh, here's the other half of that Joker card. I think it's fit for now. We'll see what's the oldest date. First one is 63. 80. That's a new one. What do we got here? 80. $81. Make a little bit of light on this. 81. 79. 60, 67. 82, my birth year. 94. I'm starting to lose daylight. It's a little cloudy out today too, so. Another 82. Another 82. 81. 2 more left. 13. Yep, 2013. And last one is 82. Oldest one, 67. Check it out. Anyway, I'm going to rebuild that wall, and we'll go from there. All right. All right, I want to go ahead and start pulling this stuff off. This is probably not needed. What's this? Econo Lodge. Does this say Obi-Wan? Oh look, it's an old Star Wars card. There's Darth Vader on it. Too bad it was in better shape. So we're going to pull off these guys, I have to put these back on. I have to put these back on. They go to the table. It's what holds the table up. So I'll clean these off, get all the paint off, clean the chrome up. Anyway, put you on time lapse. So you don't have to sit there and watch me for 10 minutes. Alright, running out of daylight here, but you can see I got all the pieces cut, ready to fasten. And these end ones, I'll probably put a screw between here all the way down, this to here, this to here. Maybe the other way around on that side. So yeah, that's what I'll end up doing, and just getting that squared away so I can put it back on the trailer. Anyway, I'm running out of daylight, and I gotta set up the lights. Not sure how long I'll be out here, but we'll see.